Good morning, Banawi, Ifugao. We are now here in Ifugao on July 15th, 2004 for Keike's 15th birthday because she wants an adventure. That rice terraces that you can see there, that's the rice terraces that you can see in your 20 peso bill. Now let's greet happy birthday to our birthday celebrator. Let's go! Ooh, hi Kay! Happy birthday, Kay!
Thank you.
Where are you now?
Kawan.
Banawi, Ifugao, Rice, Terraces. Okay? You are now in Banawi, Ifugao, Rice Terraces. How old are you now?
15.
15. Are you enjoying your adventure?
Yeah.
Yeah, love it? Yeah, what's your wish for your 15th birthday?
I like having adventure.
Yeah, continue adventure. Yeah. Say bye na to your friends. Oh, that was KK for her birthday celebration. She wanna sleep pa. She wants more adventure. But while she is still asleep and the rest of the team is still asleep, let me take you to a little pictures. Konting video lang. Okay. Last night, medyo maingay. Sabi ko parang may nag-rushing water. So, meron pala doon stream. Yun, nakikita yung mga puti na yan. Tapos, to that side, meron ka na ulit makikitang pumuputi na bula kasi meron pala siyang stream. So, nagstay kami. Galing kami ng Echagi Isabela around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. Plan sana namin magsagada. Pero dahil sobrang taas ng sagada at wala kaming mga jackets, so sabi namin mag-Ifugao na lang kami. So dito kami pinadpad at luckily nakakuha kami ng lodging house. Okay? Ang lodging house na nakuha namin, ang pangalan ay Dad's Place Lodge and Restaurant. Kinuha namin dalawang room, single room. Wala siyang sariling toilet, pero meron, kasi mura lang siya. Mahilig po kami sa mga murang accommodation. So, pero nandito lang sa labas yung toilet. Malinis naman po siya. Ang kagandahan dito, kasi ganyan, lalabas ka, parang may terrace. O, upo-upo ka dyan. Tapos titingin-tingin doon. Ganon. Tapos, doon, may stairs going up kasi ang kanilang first floor pababa. So, akyat tayo. Meron po silang parking slot. So, si Kuku, nakapark po siya. Kasi mahirap po dito yung parking. So, kung kukuha po kayo ng ng accommodation dito, make sure na may parking kasi mahirap po ang mag-park. Pagkatulad niyan po, sa gilid lang ng daan ng parking, mahirap po. Pero kami, nag-park po kami dito. So, pwede kan accommodate up to 2 cars. Tapos, mga motorcycle. So far, dahil ngayon po ay Monday, Sunday kami ng gabi, mga alas 6:30 kami kagabi dumating dito. Dahil ngayon ay Monday, wala masyadong guest. Ayun ang ayaw namin, yung mag-weekend ka kasi maraming guest. At least ngayon sulong-sulo mo yung Banawi. Tingnan nyo yun, yung clouds. Hindi na makikita yung yung tuktok ng bundok. Diyan going to Sagada. Actually, 2 hours na lang away from Sagada. Pero, hindi na namin pupuntahin doon kasi, or hindi na kami pupunta doon sa Sagada kasi medyo malayo na. Kailangan namin makabalik na ng Maynila kasi back to work na naman ako. 1 day lang ang aking leave. Yan. So, Imagine if you wake up like this. And then the fresh, cool air. Iniisip ko kanina habang nakaupo ako doon sa table. Sabi ko, paano kaya nila tinitil yung sakahan nila dyan? Kailangan ba nila magdala ng mga makinarya? Or baka hanggang ngayon yung manual tools pa rin? Or baka may tools na sila na makikarry nila papunta dyan? At saka ini-imagine ko, parang sabi mo ko, pag titingnan mo parang ang liit niya. Pero compare mo yung bahay, may nakita akong bahay, yung bahay na yun, oh. Sobrang liit. Tapos tingnan mo ang laki ng ano na yan. So that means napakalapad po talaga ng rice terraces na yan. Mukhang maliit lang tingnan sa taas. Doon sa amin, sa probinsya, sa South Cotabato, may tinatawag kaming Little Baguio kasi may rice terraces. For everybody's information, wala pong ramang rice terraces yata sa Baguio. Nandito po sa Ifugao at saka Mountain Province ang mga rice terraces. Okay? Ang World Heritage, hindi po sa area na ito, but the advantage of this one that you can see right now, this is the rice terraces na makikita po ninyo sa 20 peso Philippine bill. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please follow and subscribe KK Guapa Road to Recovery. This is our autism journey. Yun! May lumabas na multo. That's Ate Andrea. Say bye for now.